everyone, welcome to Share the Magic, and today I have a very special video. I got the box, let's unbox it. I did open it, let's see what's inside. Ta-da! LoungeFly bag, and this is Harry Potter. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Here we have the bag. Honeydukes, LoungeFly. Let's open it. Ta-da!
Wow.
Look how beautiful this is, and it's all packed nicely. I love it. Let's do the close-ups. Here we have it close-up. Look at that. Looks like a big candy. I like the little pointy corners. It looks really cute. Oh, look at that. Look at the zipper. So nice, like a chocolate frog. Here we have the LoungeFly logo. Looks really pretty. I like the colors a lot. The colors look really nice. And it's pretty simple, yet it's really nice. I can't wait to bring it with me to Universal Studios and walk around. I do like Honeydukes. They have so many cool sweets. Let's see what it looks inside. For some reason I thought the inside gonna look a little different. This looks kind of like a chess field. I'm not sure how you call it. Chessboard. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, the main attraction is outside, as you can tell. But yeah, it looks really cute. I like it. And here we have the strip. And yeah, you can go in the park and walk around and get some sweets. And I'm pretty sure you can fit a lot of things inside. It looks pretty spacious. Highly recommend getting it. I got it from Market Street Gallery, and I'm pretty sure they still have it, so definitely check them out. I'll put the link in the description. They have so many different things. They have a lot of statues, they have a lot of collectibles, Harry Potter stuff, and they have this bag in stock right now, so hurry up and get it because it was sold out for a while and it's finally back. And I'm happy I got it, so you should get it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this little unboxing video, I'm so glad you did. Don't forget to like, comment down below. Would you get this bag? Do you even like Harry Potter? Do you collect LoungeFly bags? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe because it does help the channel a lot. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye!